Yeah, man. Doing this shit for Fat Pat. All the fallen soldiers, really. It's going down, though. Feel this. Well, shit, looking through my rear view, who do I see? A few yellow bad bitches chasing after me. They is on my motherfucking me, trying to get down with me because I got the fed to see. I'm real deal, Holyfield, no pickle. Coming through this motherfucker, oh so simple. Like Ocho Cinco, smoking on the dojo. Coming through, I'm looking clean, but you know I got to say. Looking at my rear view, coming through this motherfucker, coming through, I'm clear, fool. I'ma smoke 1, 2, 3, or 4 more. Coming up, smoking, drove, Fat Pat, kill it, bro. Yeah. Hoes just watch me, and through my sachet. Hoes just watch me, my rear view, sachet. Hoes just watch me, rear view, sachet. Hoes just watch me, I'ma do my damn thing. It's a new year, 2012, my time to get it clear. Hey, if you're talking noise, man, sit down because I ain't got no time. I'm about to pass your ass up and rewind. Nigga on my motherfucking Cadillac, looking so clean while I'm jamming, screwing Fat Pat. I'ma do it for them and the rest of them, cause I'm coming through. Nigga smoking on the best of them. Living on this motherfucking track today. R.I.P. to H.A.W.K. and that Pimp C and what else? Coming through jamming school, cause I'm about to get well. Cause hoes just watch me through my sachet. Hoes just watch me, my sachet. Hoes just watch me. But yeah, man, that's for them. It's going down. 2012. I'm just letting you know how a nigga doing shit now.